Let me see.
Did it leave a mark? Look who's...
I got a red nose. It's so freezing.
You know what's funny? Is you say some words and you don't even know what you're saying.
I said huevos, which is eggs, and I said refried frijoles, tortas, which is tortillas.
No, tortilla is tortilla.
Tortilla. And then I said refried frijoles and huevos and
Papas.
papas.
And what did he say?
He said, "Gay? You want to look? You want to look at this?" And he pointed at the menu at this California one that had nothing but carne asada in it. And then Carrie hops out of the van, and his lips started twisting. And he started speaking Spanish. He even had more of an accent than the Mexican. It gets a cramp.
Hello?
It's like this. It's really hard.
Oh my gosh, another robocall.
Hey.
We're going to start with a little tab long enough to screw onto the other piece. The closer you put your cuts together, the tighter the radius. stick down a little further. Keep going. Okay, that's good. Now bring it right to the even to the top of the stake. Put your screw in.
Give it a love tap. That's good, right there.
Trick is, you can always put them in high, and then you can tap the board down, and then that makes it perfect every time. So go ahead. Go ahead and lift it just a little bit, not too much. You got your other stakes that you're dealing with too. Put it down low so it sucks it in. Yep. Good, good. Yep, and then give her a tippy tap. Give her a love tap, and just a couple. Just a couple. And then check this out. Okay, a little bit more. And just one more little love tap. One more little love tap. That's good right there. That's perfect.
I'm hungry.
Okay, a little bit better radius. And then
Running down my nose. Carrie overfed us. We all look like we're pregnant.
Wheel brake?
Yeah.
Oh no.
the axle came out. Put the axle back, Garrett. Come on, Garrett, you can do it. Turn on the old hat. What exactly is it we're doing here?
Well, screwing off all day. Screwing off.
Well, ordinarily I would object, but looks like you're doing just fine. You just keep screwing off.
Typically the screws go on the outside, but we're cheap.
say hi. All kinds of activity going on. Couple more, Garrett, and then he could just pour in here and we could just shovel it around. So, almost there. Good job, Garrett. You're so special. You're special. You're doing such a good job. Isn't he special? He's doing a good job.
Up.